It's like not too deep. Stick close to where the hopping rocks are.
Like just above the rocks?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, now for the fun. Now, it's going to be cold as hell, but hopefully we'll make it through all right. We're kind of doing this blind, so here goes. Oh yeah, nice and cold water. That's good stuff. No, but this is nice. Now you can see this river water is clean as hell, but the pine leaves off these trees here are dyeing it, making it a black water river. So they call it. So first things first, let me just get through this here. And there you have it. Problem solved.